Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Your iPad may run into an issue like this. The iPad screen stuck on Apple logo, and iPad didn't work even when you try restart it. But don't worry, today we'll show you how to fix iPad stuck on Apple logo without losing any data. If you don't have a computer by your side, here is how to do a force restart. For an iPad with home button press and hold both the power and home button, and release them when the Apple logo appears. It didn't seem to work. Let's move on to the next solution, using iTunes. Just open the iTunes, and connect iPad with a cable. Then put it into recovery mode. Just like the force restart, press and hold both the power and home button till you see the connect computer screen. Then iTunes will suggest an update or restore. If you don't want to lose any data, choose update. If you have backup you date before, you can click restore. Then your iPad will now go through the update process. For some reason, iTunes will appear some issues like this or others, and then you can try the third method. Fix iPad with TunesKit iOS System Recovery. Connect iPad to computer. Launch TunesKit iOS System Recovery, and click the Start button. Step 1. Select Standard Mode. Here you can see the standard mode won't cause any data loss, and ensure the device has enough power. Then click the Next button. Step 2. Recovery Mode. Follow the on-screen instruction to put your iPad into the recovery mode. Once the Next button is turned blue, click to the next step. Step 3. Download firmware package. Step 4. Repair iPhone. When the download is complete, click the Repair. The TunesKit iOS System Recovery will start to fix your iPad. Just make sure your device is connected to the computer, and wait several minutes, your device will be fixed. That's it. By the way, we provide a 15% discount exclusive to our YouTube fans. Just go for a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.